So we've got our frame in, our front, middle, and rear transverse frames. We've already glued a piece of 1x1 cypress to the frame, to the transverse frames before we installed them. That helps to keep them straight, and also whenever we put our floor down, it gives us something for the screws to bite into. For the stringers here, we got left and right. They notch in to our transverse frames. We also put a 1x1 piece of cypress on them. They'll also notch into the front. We can secure that with a screw. We're going to install our bow support brace. We've put in a piece of wood to serve as a guide. We have it parallel to our front bulkhead, and that'll give us something to line up as we push this down in. First, we're going to dry fit this, so we've got it screwed together but with no glue. So we'll slide it in. This will push the sides of the boat out. We'll slide it down until we hit the chines. Use a quick level, make sure we're vertical. We'll use a screw to fasten it from the outside. So now, when we remove this, we can secure it with zip ties and we glue it in, but for now we know it fits. If you need to take some off or sand a little off of these, you can just pull it out, sand it, and drop it back in.